6 Weather is brought to you by Aztec Chevrolet in Beeville. Visit AztecAutoplex.com. Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Welcome back. Here is your Aztec Chevrolet forecast, and we'll start with rain videos shot by our staff this morning between 7 and 7:30 near the Crosstown Expressway and some of the feeder roads going into it. And you can see the water stacking up where there is poor drainage here in the city. The rainfall amounts generally averaging about 1 to 2 inches. Mr. Garza over on Galahar and Staples had 1.8. He was the big winner in the area just south of the mall. So as you see here on the looping Doppler radar, here's the scattered shower activity working in, much more so than we saw yesterday. And then heavy thunder showers again where it rained yesterday out around Orange Grove. Now that activity is dissipating rapidly from just west, northwest, and south of Mathis around Sandia and Orange Grove. The heaviest of activity has ended. There's still some light showers in Orange Grove out here on FM 624, but that is where they picked up between 1 and 2 inches this afternoon. In the meantime, we had our own shower activity on the coast. It didn't rain hardly at all at the Chenier plant over in Gregory or on the east side of Portland, but the west side of Portland, John Beard had 1.2 inches of rain there right on the north side of Nueces Bay, 700ths officially at the airport, all because of this trough of low pressure, weak little tropical wave coming ashore, drier behind it. So we're going to dry out. Only a stray shower here tomorrow morning. That's going to be about it. And then we're going to see sinking air out ahead of this system as it moves off to the west. But as it comes into the coast of Mexico by the end of this week, that moisture is going to pinwheel up in our direction and counterclockwise fashion. You can see it right here. See how it's kind of spreading north? That's going to happen as it moves west, and we will see scattered showers here over the weekend, tropical in origin. So it'll rain hard briefly in some spots. Other areas won't see any rain at all, and then it'll move on. So here's the upper level low associated with that little trough. That's going to move inland, and then high pressure will take over the next couple of days. Here's the trough at the surface. The Hurricane Center is saying a low opportunity for this to develop. That's why it's in yellow. So not worried about development here, but we are going to see some rain out of it. A trio of tropical storms in the Atlantic: Karen, Lorenzo, and Jerry, all no threat. But again, Karen causing big time problems in Puerto Rico with heavy rain last night. They had a lot of flooding down there. The high pressure system doesn't move a whole lot over the next several days, and in this position right here over the weekend, that brings in tropical moisture on the back side of this. That's why that system, although it's going to go to our south, is going to roll the moisture up in our direction. And this is not a good setup. It keeps us vulnerable to tropical activity. You can see here on the cloud and rain forecast, again, it's going to be dry tomorrow and also dry here on Thursday with no meaningful rainfall. The short-term evening forecast has temperatures dropping to about 80 at midnight and then on into the mid-70s then around daybreak. So that's what we're looking at as far as the rainfall situation goes. Here is a look at your NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast. Again, the rain is pretty much over with tomorrow. Hot, 94 tomorrow and Thursday, and then scattered showers develop here Friday night, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. A little on the breezy side, still humid, still hot, but we will have a cold front coming in early October, and that should put the kibosh on all this
right.
tropical
I like that.
moisture.
The kibosh. We're looking forward to the kibosh. All right.
Okay.
Thank you, Dale.